But it's so pretty. I-O, I-O. So it's off to work I go. La 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 la. I-O, 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 I-O. So it's off to work in the snow. Good times indeed. On this beautiful April the 19th, 2022, late spring storm. And I already brushed the truck off, but you can't tell because it's coming down that heavily. It's that big, wet, heavy stuff. Pure awesomeness, right? Awesomeness is what I meant to say. What we got going on here? Oh, it's a utility worker. They're probably going to have a busy day today because it's that wet, heavy snow. It's going to probably pull down some lines. Oh yeah, good times. They're going to have a busy day. So this gas station here is about maybe 2.5, 3 miles to my house. I brushed off the truck before I left this morning. Holy cow. Oh, might be a good day to go back home and go back to bed, I think. Welcome to the New York State Thruway, I-90 westbound, where apparently it's make your own lane. That's always a good time. I-90 westbound, just went by the Chittenango Service Plaza. You can kind of see the road through the snow. Kind of got the old Millennium Falcon effect going with the snow. Out here in Syracuse, 481 North, and it's snowing, but the roads are clear. It's not as bad out here as what it is back towards the east, back towards where I live. And I'm going to be rolling north today, so hopefully it won't be that bad. Hey, look, my truck has a Santa Claus beard. Okay, so I'm done with my first delivery up here in Watertown. And when I arrived up here, it was not snowing. Until about 10 minutes ago, it started snowing. On my way up to my second stop in Messina. hoping for the best. Greetings from Messina, New York. Unreal. Absolutely unreal. And this, my friends, is why I always do a quick walk through the trailer when I'm empty. And it looks like it's been repaired previously. And I tried to put some tape over this, but it's too damp and too cold for the tape to stick. And it's probably too damp and too cold for any kind of putty or caulk to stick. So. 57 apparently is the new 62. Oh, it's Canadian. Okay, rolling down 81 south and off to the left. The flag is back here in Pulaski. I tried to get a shot of it this morning, but I don't think it came out very good because of the precipitation and lack of wind. On my way back to Syracuse. So far, with the exception of a couple high gusts of wind, the weather's been pretty decent on the way back. There was a little snow and rain mix there for a while, but it seems to be a lot better than what it was this morning. Can't wait to see what kind of mess I'm going to see when I get home. Tape rolling and 3, 2, 1, action! Ah, that's an awesome sound. An amazing sound that I haven't heard in quite some time. Oh, back in Syracuse, brought that empty trailer that had a little hole in it. Back down to Syracuse, dropped that off to be repaired. And I got my assignment for tomorrow. So that's going to do it for this portion of the video. Yeah, so I guess it's a good thing that I didn't pack the shovel away. I'm home. I'll catch y'all later. Y'all have a good one, eh? I'm out of here. Hasta le pasta, adios. Just enough to make a mess.